Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up and use OpenVPN on your Android device. First, open the Play Store and search for OpenVPN. Then install the official OpenVPN app. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Then you will see the welcome screen where you can enable notification if you do like, then tap Agree to continue. Next, you will need an OpenVPN server URL or a configuration file. I already have a configuration file from the vpngate.net where you can find pre-OpenVPN configuration files. Now, import the configuration files into the app and tap connect. Then OpenVPN will start connecting to the server and you will be able to see the connection status and other details within the app. Once connected, you can check your IP address and you will notice that your location has changed to the VPN server's location. That's it for this tutorial, so don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.